In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send USDT from MetaMask to Binance. To get started, open the Binance app and go to the deposit section. From there, choose the option to deposit crypto. Now select USDT since that's the token you want to receive. At this stage, Binance will ask you to choose a network. This part is very important because the network you choose on Binance must exactly match the network you use in MetaMask. For example, if you select BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, then you must send from MetaMask using that same network. If you choose Solana, the sending network must also be Solana. Once you've selected the correct network, Binance will generate a deposit address for your USDT. Carefully copy that address and keep it ready for the next step. Next, open MetaMask and make sure you are connected to the exact same network you selected on Binance. This is the most important detail in the whole process because using the wrong network can cause your transfer to fail or your funds to become difficult to recover. After confirming the network, find and tap on USDT inside your wallet. If you hold multiple assets, take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct token before continuing. Now tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. It's always a good idea to quickly compare the first few and last few characters of the address after pasting, just to make sure everything copied correctly. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Before moving on, review the amount one more time to avoid simple mistakes. Once everything looks correct, tap Next. On the confirmation screen, MetaMask will show the gas fee for the transaction. This fee is separate from the amount of USDT you are sending, so make sure you have enough of the network's native token in your wallet to cover it. Review all the transaction details carefully, including the recipient address, the amount, and the network being used. If everything is correct, tap Confirm. After that, the transfer will be submitted to the blockchain. You may need to wait a few moments for the transaction to process, depending on network activity. Once it's confirmed, the USDT should appear in your Binance account under your deposit history or balance. And that's it. You've successfully sent USDT from MetaMask to Binance.